everybody, I am Prerna Lad, and as in the previous video we learned about the teeth and the tongue, and I told you that I'll be back with more information on it. So I'm back now, and we're going to be learning about the functions of the tooth and like what types of teeth are there and how many. So this is the tooth. So this is the tongue, these are the teeth. So this is the incisor, premolars, molars, and canines. So I'm going to be telling you about these in detail. First is the incisors. So there are four types of teeth. The first one is the incisors. So these are in the front and are used for cutting and biting the food that we eat. So it's over here, 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 and same in the lower jaw. So there are 8 in number. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So you can take an example of biting an apple. When you bite an apple, you don't do it like this or something like that. You do it from the front, not from here, not from here, not from here. So that's an example and it's a really easy one. Next type of canines. The canines look like this. So basically the canines are located between the incisors and the premolars. They are used for tearing the food and holding it that we eat. So there are 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. So now we're going to be learning about the premolars. So here's the premolars. Okay. So the premolars are located between the canines and the molars. They are flat and broad and are used for crushing and chewing the food that we eat. Children with milk teeth do not have premolars, but they develop them later when they grow permanent teeth. So there are basically 8 premolars. Lastly, we have the molars, which are over here. As you can see, molars, and this is molar. So what the molars are they are the largest of all the teeth. As you can see that in all of the teeth, when I showed you, the molars were the largest. So the molars, see? So the molars are located at the back of the mouth, situated at the ends of the jaws. You can also call it that. Molars are the largest of all the teeth. They have a flat and broad and large biting surface which is used to grind, crush, and chew the food that we eat. Children with milk teeth have 8 molars and adults have 12 molars. The third pair of molars are also called as wisdom teeth, which grow later in adult life. So I'm going to tell you an interesting fact. You know, before toothbrushes were invented, humans used twigs, neem twigs and all, right? They used like twigs, to clean their teeth. But the first toothbrush was invented in China. It had like a bamboo handle with boar bristles attached with a wire. And yeah. So like still some places like in rural areas or in villages, people can't afford toothbrushes, so they use neem twigs or tulsi twigs or whatever they want to use to clean their teeth. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about taking care of your teeth. So in the last video I told you about how to take care of your tongue, but this time I'm going to tell you how to take care of your teeth. So I'm going to start off by telling you what can happen if you do not take care of your teeth, and after that I'm going to tell you how can you take care of your teeth. So let's start. So plaque is a sticky slimy substance. So there's this sticky slimy substance that's in your teeth, and it develops if you don't brush your teeth properly. So it's a sticky slimy substance that is made up of germs. So these germs destroy the enamel of the teeth. As I told you, the enamel is the part that covers the tooth, the white part, hardest substance in the human body. It destroys that and it makes a tiny hole or opening or something like that, and it forms cavities or tooth decays. So tooth cavities and tooth decays affect our health in too many ways. Okay, so it can like lead to heart diseases or anything. So now I'm going to tell you how you can take care of your teeth. So you can take care of your teeth by brushing your teeth twice in a day. Avoid eating food items that are too hot or too cold. Then avoid eating chocolates and other sugary drinks or sweets or whatever before going to bed. And even if you do, for example, like you want to eat some chocolates and you accidentally did, so you should brush your teeth before going to bed. Okay, then yeah. And you should brush them properly, not like only one time and then yeah. Then next is fresh fruits and vegetables and salads protect your teeth from germs. Eat them in plenty. So what they're saying is that apples, spinach and fresh fruits and other salads protect your teeth and they help like germs to go away, which is really good. Teeth are mainly made up of mineral calcium, and consuming calcium-rich food make teeth strong. So calcium-rich food are milk and its products like curd, cheese, milk, etc. Do not pull out a tooth before it is ready to fall out and on its own, as it exposes the broken root to an infection. So if you pull out a tooth before it is ready to be broken, it cuts the nerves of the tooth, as I told you, right? The pulp contains nerves and blood vessels. It breaks that and it can cause an infection. So don't ever let anybody pull out a tooth before it is ready to fall out on its own. The last point is visit a dentist regularly for cleaning and checkup. And one more point, if you want, then after eating your food, you can floss. So flossing is like there's this thread in which you just like put it between your tooth and just do it like this. So now I'm going to be asking you a few questions. So the first one is, the portion of the tooth seen above the gum is called the dash. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is the crown. I'm going to be asking you another question which is of true and false. There are 8 molars in each jaw. That is totally wrong. There are 8 molars in like both of the jaws counted for children, and there are 6 molars, like 6 in each jaw, and 12 in total for adults. So that's wrong. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you learned like lots of things from this video and you can use it like a lot. Bye.